Join me as I dive into KO stock's biggest update yet and see if I can figure out if it's worth your investment. KO stock, or Coca-Cola, is a giant in the beverage industry, with a history that spans over 135 years. It's a company that's been a staple in many portfolios, offering a steady stream of dividends and a strong brand presence globally. But, like any stock, it's not immune to market fluctuations and challenges. The upcoming update could be a game-changer for KO stock, and we're about to dive into what it entails. KO stock has faced its fair share of challenges recently. One of the main hurdles has been the increasing competition in the beverage market. With more health-conscious consumers turning towards low-calorie and sustainable options, traditional soda sales have been on the decline. This shift in consumer behavior has forced KO stock to adapt and innovate. Economic factors have also played a role, with fluctuations in commodity prices and currency exchange rates impacting the company's profitability. Another challenge KO stock has faced is the rising cost of raw materials. As a major producer of beverages, the company relies heavily on ingredients like sugar, corn syrup, and packaging materials. Any volatility in these costs can squeeze profit margins. Furthermore, there's been a growing trend of consumers opting for eco-friendly packaging, which KO stock has had to address. The company has been working to make its packaging more sustainable, which involves additional costs. The regulatory environment has also been a challenge. With governments around the world implementing stricter regulations on food and beverage companies, KO stock has had to navigate a complex landscape to ensure compliance. This includes adhering to sugar taxes, labeling requirements, and environmental regulations. All these factors combined have put pressure on KO stock's performance. KO stock's latest update addresses some of these challenges head-on. The company has announced significant strides in its sustainability efforts, including a commitment to recycle the equivalent of every can or bottle it sells by 2030. This move not only addresses consumer concerns but also positions KO stock favorably from a regulatory standpoint. Additionally, KO stock has been expanding its product portfolio to include more low-calorie and sustainable options. This strategic shift aims to capture the growing market of health-conscious consumers. The update also highlights KO stock's efforts to enhance its operational efficiency. The company has been leveraging technology to streamline its supply chain and reduce costs. By improving its logistics and distribution networks, KO stock aims to mitigate the impact of fluctuating commodity prices. Moreover, KO stock has been focusing on digital transformation, using data analytics to better understand consumer behavior and preferences. One of the most exciting parts of the update is KO stock's foray into new markets. The company has been making significant investments in emerging markets, where there is a growing demand for beverages. By expanding its global footprint, KO stock is not only increasing its revenue streams but also diversifying its risk. This strategic move could significantly boost KO stock's growth prospects. The critical part of the update that could significantly affect KO stock's future is its focus on sustainability and innovation. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, KO stock's efforts in this area could be a major selling point. The company's commitment to sustainability could enhance its brand reputation and loyalty, ultimately driving long-term growth. In recap, KO stock's biggest update yet addresses several key challenges, from sustainability and innovation to operational efficiency and market expansion. The potential impacts of this update on KO stock's trajectory are significant. If KO stock can successfully execute on these initiatives, it could see a positive impact on its stock performance. So, what do you think about KO stock's latest update? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my latest video for more insights on KO stock and other investment opportunities.